Ever write a note? Put it in a bottle and throw it out to sea? How likely would someone find it? Hi. I'm Appinsider. Today we are going to throw a message bottle into the sea. Let's see who will find it out. Go to Play Store and type bottled. Tap here and install the app. Open the app. Tap here to sign up. Fill the details and hit enter. Choose whom you are looking for. Select your age. And gender. Swipe left to see your friends. Swipe right to see your profile. Tap on Feather to send your first bottle. You can see already there are 3 bottles on your shore from strangers. Tap on the bottles to read the messages. You can purchase different items with gold coins here. They enable lots of new features.
I wanna see the light. See the light.
You can buy gold coins here or you can earn them. Every time your bottle gets kept by someone you will earn 1 gold coin. Gold can be found in the treasure chests too. In here you can change your island. This app allows you to send a message to anyone, anywhere in the world. 1 letter at a time, your messages will be received by 1 user only. If the recipient likes your bottled letter, they can keep an app. You will be able to chat with each other. If your bottled message gets released, your bottle will float back into the sea to be received by another random stranger.
wanna see the light.
Here you can find your bottle's current location. These are the top adventure stories. If you want, you can filter it by any country. You can give likes too. Tap here to edit your profile. You can only change username once. Choose it wisely. Here are more tips to earn more bottles, gold and reputation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget, a stranger is a friend you haven't met yet.